Greetings, YouTube. So, here's what went down in South Dakota. A man was found guilty of murder. I'm not going to dispute his sentence. It seems that he actually did commit the murder. What I'm going to dispute is what happened after he was found guilty. The sentence he was given for his prison term. Now, the jury decided that they would not send him to prison for life. That they would give him the death penalty. Do you know why they chose to give him the death penalty? Or other than the fact that they made an immoral decision, because the death penalty is a morally bankrupt position to take. I will fight the capital punishment idea with my last breath. There is never a reason to murder someone at the hand of the state. But in this particular case, they gave him the death penalty over life in prison because he's gay. And I'm not, that's not an act of hyperbole on my part. They literally said that. They felt that because he was gay, sending him to prison for life, behind bars, where he will never see his family again, where he will never be able to go anywhere, where he will be exploited by the state or some private corporation, where he'll have every single thing he does for the rest of his life controlled by someone else, while being penned up with other violent men. And they didn't think that was punishment enough because he was gay, and that would give him a dating pool. Yes, that's what they said. That they didn't want to send him to prison for life because he would enjoy it. So instead, they decided to execute him because he's gay. That's fucked up. Flat out. That's just warped. But that's what happened. I apologize for the background sounds. Apparently, people are liking my Instagram pictures. I'm very popular at the moment. Can you understand how horrible that is? How terrible that is? That he is going to die because he's gay. That's astounding. That an act of bigotry so overt was considered A-OK in the United States of America. And the jurors have admitted this. This is not something that's being speculated. He should get a new trial. Flat out. He may still be guilty of the crime, but he does not deserve to be executed just because he's gay. Life imprisonment, which is less expensive, I should point out, is fine. Put him away from everyone else so that he is no longer a danger to the public. Being in prison is enough of a punishment. We don't need to also decide that we are going to murder him. Because remember, if he's in prison for being a murderer, us becoming murderers doesn't balance the moral scale. It just makes it worse. There is no justice in killing someone. There's just another act of murder. And that particular bit of cognitive dissonance seems to escape everyone that supports the death penalty. So, another example of how America fails to live up to its ideals. We are a nation of bigotry, and this man is going to die because of it.